So this stuff is good. But we could be real cool and just make our own sour cream. So to make your own homemade sour cream, first thing that you'll need is a glass jar, some kind of non-reactive container, 2 cups of heavy cream, and 2 tablespoons of buttermilk. Cultured, by the way. Very important that you get cultured buttermilk. So then you're just going to go ahead and take your cream, pour it in your glass jar, and then take your buttermilk and pour it in there. Just give it a quick stir. And then pop that in the microwave. And you're just going to heat that up from anywhere between 75 and 82 degrees, or just until it's a little warm. Once you get that heated up, then you just grab some cheesecloth or a paper towel or a coffee filter, something that will let some air in there. You're going to cover that up, and you're just going to let that sit on the counter for 12 to 18 hours. Me personally, I like to go about 15 hours. The longer that you let that sit on the counter, the stronger the taste will be. And so if everything went right, once you open it the next day and you'll pick it up, you'll notice that it is considerably thicker. And you put your spoon in there and you have sour cream. And it's just that easy. All you got to do is just let it sit there and you have your own homemade sour cream. And it tastes way better. It tastes so good that you could eat it alone. And it has many uses too. You can use it inside of gravies, top your nachos with it. Use it for a baked potato, put it in your chili. Any way that you could use sour cream, you could use this stuff and it'll taste way better. And that's it. You know how to make your own sour cream now. Not saying that this is your go-to sour cream, but if you want something a little tastier, or if you want to, just treat yourself, this is an easy method to just make your own sour cream, and it tastes way better than store-bought sour cream. So if you like what you've seen here, just leave a like and subscribe, and follow me on Facebook at Chef Ref. Bye.